Oped. To start your Facebook cover art design, click on these three dots to select or to input your cover size. So the appropriate cover size for mobile designing is 980 by 360. So you click OK. Once you click OK, you have your layout created. Now click on this part. Once you click that place, click on color for selecting background. So our background color is white, mainly white for this design that I'm creating. Now you need to bring your shape into the design. Let me use this color. If you want to get the appropriate color for this is the X code at the top here. You can use any color. You are free to use any color. Now let me bring my design here, my shape, before I recreate by using the perspective tool. So the perspective tool will enable me to adjust and make something like this. Okay, enable it, and then you put it here. No delay at all. Something like this. Let it be close to this place. That's okay. Now go ahead to lock the layer. Now that you've locked the layer, let's create another shape. So this one now, let it be a little bit long. We are adjusting the perspective too. So go to perspective and adjust the perspective. These are abstract shape you need to learn. So now we give it a color as well. Let me use this yellow, and for a better look I'll adjust the color. Now it's okay. Put it here. Okay, balance it to the upper part a bit. Now I will input a shape, this hexagon here. So I will balance it well, adjust it, then place it here. Let's change the color to be yellow. Yes. So this I will edit this, and then reduce the opacity, increase the stroke, and then add the color to the stroke. So I want a pointed edge. So once it is back, it can distort, so just try to balance it. Increase the size if you want. Now we need to erase some parts out of this. Now I will erase some parts. So I'm good to go like this. So I'll place it somewhere here. Now let's create another shape, this same hexagon. Then we'll change the color and balance it. So I want the edge to be rounded somehow, so I'll increase the stroke. So those are some of the tricks you need to watch in this video. So you make it rounded by using the stroke. If you increase the stroke, it will become rounded. So activate it, then bring it here, just unbalance well. So now let's go to the test. Okay, we need to import the shape first, the shape for the image, the main image. Create another hexagonal shape. So here we are going to put it in this one. Now let me add the texture. So now make it square and bring the face into the main part of your design. So let it be like this, and then you click on enable. So this image is changing perspective. I need to adjust it. So once that is okay, then I can now adjust my borderline that I created. So you go to rotate, and then rotate it perfectly to what you want. So you need some little adjustments, then you can finalize your design based on what you have. Can you see? So now that I've finalized, you can try to increase the size if it's not working well. If you want some adjustment, just click on it and adjust. So you see, I use this shape, then I use my main picture as the texture for it. So it will bring this as a shape into the design. Now you can use the position to adjust. So once you adjust all of this, you can now start with your test by creating the test. I'm using my name here. Now that's the first test. Create the color. I'm using white. Go to font, select font. Okay, my font I'm using, let me use Stretch Pro. Yes. Let's try expanded font. Expanded Akira expanded demo. Okay, that one looks well. So I'll make it 2 lines. Edit and adjust. So as to make it more bold. Line to create your lines to guide your your design. So I'm using one here, another one here. So now I can create this, balance it. These are the little tricks you need to learn using your Pixellab for creating your Facebook cover art. Should not give you any issue. It is a straightforward design. Now I've created my name, that I need to attach or add what I do. Okay, since it's a cover art, I need to tell people what I do. Graphic designer slash content creator. Okay, that one will be colored yellow. So select the font, the text, go to color, and now go to font, my fonts. So let's use Montserrat semi bold. Adjust the size of your text and place it at the right part on your design. Adjust the position and continue with your design. If the text is not looking well, adjust the text spacing. Then the position. Now the remaining part, I need to import a rectangle. So you adjust the radius a bit. The radius is okay at 8%. Go to stroke and give it a yellow stroke. 3 is okay. So this is what you are going to have. That's where you can put any other detail, what you want people to know. Then you copy this one, use it to create the remaining two tests: your main email address or email, then the phone number you are using. So once you adjust that, copy it again and use it for your phone number. So that one will be here. And you can make that color white to make it look different from the email. So once you do that, adjust the position. It's very important. Alignment is very important in design. So once all of this is here, you can put the main text you want here. So let me use black for that one. So let's make it black. Your main message will be there, or a short bio that you want to add. So after that, you are good to go with your design. You can just add a little effect to your design. Use text, edit it, and go to this arrow, create like 3, click OK. Bring it to the position you want. Change the color, adjust it. You can change the font so that the shape of that forward arrow will be different. So I just bring it here, copy it, bring another here, change that color to white, and you are good to go. So there are some little effects you can still add to your design, but based on what you have, this is also very cool, and it shows the major information you want to show on your Facebook cover art. You can proceed to save your design by clicking here, click on save as image.